Good morning students. In the last lecture I discussed on exponential function and logarithmic function. Today I am going to solve exercise questions which is based on both exponential functions and logarithmic functions. So question number 1, it is given that y is equal to e raised to the power x by sin x. So we have to differentiate with respect to x, means we have to calculate dy by dx. So taking logarithm both sides, log both sides, so log y equal to log e power x by sin x. So your question is why I take a log both sides of this equation, because it is in the form of m by n. Okay, so that is why I am taking log both sides of this function. So log y is equal to log e power x by sin x. So here we use the formula log m by n equal to log m by log n. This formula we apply here, log m by log n. So what is the answer? So log e power x minus log sin x. Now it is now log e power x minus log sin x. Again here it is in the form of log m raised to the power n, that is equal to, we write n log m. So in this question log e raised to the power x is equal to what you write here, x log e minus log sin x as it is. So we know the value of log e is equal to what, 1. Okay, so why your answer is sir, why this answer, the value of log is equal to 1? So I am solving it as e raised to the power 1 is equal to e. Okay, so if we convert as a logarithmic function, it will be log e base e is equal to 1. So that is why the value of log is equal to 1 here. So that is log sin x as it is. So now taking derivative with respect to x, so what do we get? So we apply chain rule here. So I am directly right here, what is the derivative of log y? 1 by y. Then what is different from x? Y is different. So using chain rule we write that dy by dx is equal to, and the derivative of x is equal to 1 minus, again you use what, a chain rule here, because log x, derivative of log x is equal to what, log x is equal to 1 by x. So but in place of x it is sin x, so that we write its formula is 1 by x, that means 1 by sin x, again derivative of sin x. Okay, so now 1 by y dy by dx is equal to 1 minus 1 by sin x into dy by dx of sin x. So dy by dx is equal to y is divided here, if you take to the right side it will be multiply. So y into 1 minus derivative of sin x is equal to cos x, so cos x by sin x. Now it is what, cot x, right? So dy by dx is equal to y into 1 minus cot x. So this is sufficient. If you make the answer here, so what you write, to in place of cot x, again I am writing here cos x by sin x. Taking the LCM, it will be what, sin x minus cos x. So sin x minus cos x, and the denominator be sin x, it will multiply with sin x. It is now sin square x e power x by sin square x into sin x minus cos x. Students listen, our main aim is to differentiate a function with respect to x, so whatever may be the with respect to, right? So try to simplify till the last. If we just left here, no, it is also true, e power x by sin x into 1 minus cot x, right? Now come to the another question, 7. Question number 7, it is y equal to root over of e power root x. Okay, so differentiate with respect to x. So you know that derivative of root x is equal to what, 1 by 2 root x. So but in place of x it is e raised to the power root x. So what you write, first you find the write the formula of derivative formula of root x here, 1 by 2 root x, means in place of root x it is root e power root x. So using chain rule you have to write here. So using chain rule we write 1 by 2 root x, and then the derivative of again e raised to the power root x. But what is the derivative of ex? It is e raised to the power x, but here it is root x. So again using chain rule, here. So you write e raised to power root x into derivative of root x with respect to x, and the derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Okay, 1 by 2 root x, right? So it is 1 by 4 root over of e raised to power root x by may x. Come to the question number 6 here. Question number 6, y is equal to e power x plus e x square, raised to the power x square, then e raised to the power x cube plus e raised to the power x cube, e raised to the power x raised to the power 4. So differentiate with respect to x here. Again here also using chain rule. Because you know that the derivative of e power x is equal to only x, but in place of x, in the first question it is only x, so no problem, you write only the formula here. But in the second one, in place of x it is x square, so using chain rule, you just find the first, write the formula here, e power x means x square, and derivative of x square is equal to 2x. Similarly you continue in this process, and you get e raised to the power x plus e 2x e raised to the power x square plus 3x square e raised to the power x cube plus 4x cube e raised to the power x 4 plus 5x raised to the power 4 into e x raised to the power 5. Okay students, I think you understand and you solve the rest of the questions. Thank you.